Stay with us. The ending will change the way you see them. If you believe in stories that stay, like, comment your thought, and watch till the last frame. Subscribe now.
There was a time when the earth spoke softly, and mankind listened. But as their hands built machines, their hearts drifted away from the world that gave them life. They reached for perfection, but forgot the beauty of being alive. And when nature fell silent,
the earth danced in perfect rhythm, every creature a note in her endless song. Then came those who could create, and in creation forgot the cost. Their dreams reached the stars.
Forgot the world that gave them life. Nature began to remember its own power. The balance they ignored is now awakening. For every tree cut, every river poisoned, nature remembers and takes back.
The hands that built the future vanished without farewell. The world kept working, but for no one. When life left the cities, silence gave birth to rebirth.
Without the noise of men, the earth began to breathe again. The wild returned where machines once ruled, reminding the world who it truly belonged to. From silence, life whispered its way back.
The earth healed itself, yet the shadows of what once was still lingered in memory. They traded the heartbeat of the earth for the hum of their own creation. But time erased their noise, leaving only the voice of life.
In the end, there was no war between man and nature. There was only forgetting and remembering. When humanity fell silent, life spoke again.
This is Sahu Films. Stories that stay with you. Join the pack. Be a witness. Subscribe.